I'm not done with snakes. My previous video did not cover sea snakes, so I'm gonna do that now. To do a small recap, snakes are legless, long, slender-bodied, cold-blooded vertebrates. Being cold-blooded just means that they don't regulate their own internal body temperature, and vertebrates are just any animal with a backbone or spine. I wanted to get into sea snakes because they have very interesting adaptations of their own that you don't see in terrestrial snakes. The most glaring adaptation is the paddle-like tail, which helps them swim more efficiently. They swim in a lateral undulation, or their body smoothly moves left to right. Another adaptation that they have that helps with swimming is the lateral compression of their body, which is a flattening from the sides, very similar to eels in that way. Here is where we have to draw a distinction between two types of sea snakes. True sea snakes give live birth, and sea kraits lay eggs on land. This next adaptation only applies to true sea snakes, which are the significant reduction of the ventral scales, which for them are not very useful for their lifestyle. Sea kraits, however, do retain wide ventral scales because this is a useful trait for slithering on land. Also, sea snakes have developed a way to excrete excess salt, which is through specialized glands located underneath the tongue. Sea snakes are able to hold their breath underwater via two ways. One of them through one long lung that stretches to nearly the length of their body. The other method, only applicable to some sea snakes, is something called cutaneous respiration. This is the exchanging of carbon dioxide for oxygen across the skin. This can supplement some of the need for going up to the surface for air, allowing some snakes to hold their breath for up to 8 hours, which is just insane. On top of those adaptations, they can also close their nostrils with the valve-like flaps that keep salt water from entering their lungs while diving. Anyway, that is all. Real quick, I must be allergic to uploading because this is the only post that I put out this month, and that is some crazy work. I need to post more, hopefully next year. Pre-Happy New Year's, everyone. Thank you for watching, and remember to never stop learning.